Hello ladies, doll collectors, gentlemen, and kiddos too. Welcome to the Violet Bird Beauty channel where I try it so you don't have to. Keyword today is try. If you are new here today, welcome. I hope you have fun hanging out with me as I go over my very first ever tutorial. This is a beauty channel with a focus on skincare and makeup, which brings me to my rather intense look today. I'm trying something girly and flirty and from 1959. Happy birthday, Barbie! She turned 60 this year. Can you believe it? 60 years we have had Barbie in the world. That feels incredible to me. I think she looks pretty good. According to Pawn Stars, if you want to get your hands on a 1959 original Barbie, you could pay anywhere from $5,500 to $8,000 for an original, perfect condition 1959 Barbie with the ponytail. Playing dress up is a far more accessible way for me to get in on the Barbie birthday action. So today I tried to do a Barbie doll look from 1959. And it's interesting, the original 1959 Barbies had white irises, which is a little crazy. When I was a little girl, I absolutely loved playing with my Barbie dolls and collecting them too. And the crown jewel of my Barbie doll collection was my 40th anniversary Barbie doll. This was 20 years ago. She came out when I was 9. Absolutely beautiful, and she's got her own 1959 Barbie doll. Let's take some close-up shots of this gorgeous doll in the box. Alright, so she hasn't been taken out, and I'm not going to take her out today, but I want you guys to get a good look at her. She's got these beautiful black gloves, a wonderful sparkling dress, 40 roses to celebrate her anniversary. What Barbie doll was your favorite growing up? Did you play with them? Did you collect them? Tell me about your Barbie story. I'd just love to know. My cousin and I used to play with our Barbie dolls in the closet for hours and hours. We would stay up until like 1 in the morning playing with Barbie dolls when we were little. One of my favorite childhood memories with her. Please note this video is not sponsored. I just love playing with dolls and makeup and all that jazz. Although I welcome your tips and tricks and any help you can give me. Please be kind. I am not a makeup artist. I am not a hairstylist. In fact, I rarely put on more than eyeliner and mascara. For my wedding, I don't think I even put on foundation. Hairstyling and makeup are things that I would love to get better at, and the only way you learn is by trying. So without further ado, let's take a look at what I did to my face. Barbie Millicent Roberts was released to emulate style icons of her time such as Marilyn Monroe. This is a far cry from the tanned, pink-lipped Malibu Barbie style, and far before Barbie was seriously inclusive. She wore striking red nail polish, deep red lipstick, had very pale skin, seriously arched brows, and a one-piece striped swimsuit. So here we go. I applied the red Essie nail polish in hiking heels to a clear base coat. I think it is the same tone as the original Barbie. What do you think of my color choice? Please excuse the broken finger on my right hand. The car door won when we got into a fight this week. For my makeup, I started with a match primer from the Body Shop, then the very light cloud shade from Too Faced's Born This Way foundation. Then I worked on a seriously arched brow to emulate the 1959 Barbie doll. This pencil was a gift from my sister, and it is from ColourPop. I used my Joe Fresh Rose Neutrals to set up my eye for some loud color. Barbie 1959 wore very bright blue eyeshadow and black liner all around her lids. This is a far more bold and intense look than I'm used to. The Milk Makeup Shadow Liner helped me achieve a creamy paint-like look. And the Kat Von D ink liner created a smooth pop of color before I lined my eyes in black. My lashes are made up with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is a sample size. What an incredible voluminous mascara. I definitely will be getting a refill of that mascara. It is my favorite mascara I've ever played with. Now for my lips, I went with one of my more high-end products. I have a sample size of the Yves Laurent or the YSL Matte Stain in Tatouage Couture. Please forgive me if I've pronounced that wrong. It is a very bright red and I struggled to get it on my lips without making a mess, so please forgive the corrections as I go along. And I think that we are good to go. Or at least I am hoping for the best here. Barbie had a very specific hairstyle, kind of like a mullet. Business in the front, party in the back. I rolled my hair tightly into a silk scrunchie after my shower this morning and let it dry. I then separated the hair on the top of my head and reformed a ponytail in the back, twirling it back into shape. I then curled all the hair on the top of my head in the same direction, applied hairspray to high heaven and used some bobby pins, and hoped for the best. I really struggled to get the hair look right, so please be patient with me, and if you have any vintage hairstyling tips, let me know or direct me to a channel because this is something I have a lot of interest in and zero skill. Sorry about that. To finish the look, I am wearing a retro style black and white dress I bought a few years ago from Jacob. I recommend pinupgirlclothing.com to find even better period appropriate Barbie style outfits. What did you guys think? Was this fun or was this a total fail? Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see another Barbie tutorial because I think it would be kind of a dream to go through all my different Barbies and do a makeup tutorial based on their look. That would be pretty bananas. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell, I'd really appreciate it because then when I put up something, you'll know all about it. Thank you for your time and have yourself a very wonderful day. Hopefully you're wearing some rose-colored glasses and the world looks like a happy place.